I'm really getting nervous. And I don't know what hoop to go for. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this run. Can you hear my feet? It's an exciting day! My eyebrows underneath are like, oh, help me, look at this. I'm going to an event. Gosh, she's fresh. I've got an event tonight, so I thought we need to get ready. We need to get ready. We're in Manchester, I've got a little hotel. Obviously my lighting is not up to scratch because as much as I wanted to bring my ring light, I don't think it's very sensible to take a ring light on the train. Something told me that I probably shouldn't. So excited, but so nervous, so nervous. I've just took these on from Lottie London and they're so cute. But the only thing is they kind of bend. Can you see that? So then I'm like trying to type with my phone, but I'm like trying to place whatever these are called, my pads, onto the phone, but it's just not working. But anyway, yes, welcome back to another video. I hope you're good, I hope you're well. If you're new here, then please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, welcome to a very exciting, probably very nerve-wracking vid for me. Honestly, going to these events, I don't know who that I think I am, but I am just a normal person. I'm just a normal person. I'm not an influencer. I'm not even on that level of people. Like I'm just me. Do you know what I mean? And then I'm getting invited to these events when I look like this, and it's just a bit like, whoa. I thought the only way to calm my nerves is to talk to you guys, so I'm very, very grateful that you're here. So let's get into the vid. We've got to take things slow today. We have actually got, so it's 10 to 5 currently. The event starts at 7, so I've given myself loads of time. It's a 5-minute walk from here, so I essentially just need to be ready for like 7:15, and then if I'm ready for 7:15, I can have some pics in here up in the hotel room and I can meet all the makeup girls. We are currently drinking water because right now your girl needs to hydrate. And then I've got some cans of vodka, soda lime over there because I'm suddenly a vodka girl now. Yeah, I don't know why I'm telling you all this information. I'm just going in with some Willida skin food because it's the best, especially for a night like this. I really want to hydrate my skin. It's actually such a good base for makeup. I'm obsessed with it. I just need to clean my mirror. Oh god, that looks suspicious. We've actually been blessed with 3 new girls. So blessed. I'm blessed here. Blessed, blessed, blessed. The universe is giving me beautiful little blemishes. I had to put all my makeup down on the floor because I've got 2 areas in which I'm filming. So I've got my phone here and then my camera here. So all my makeup is down here. It's not ideal. If you see me bend down, it is to simply get a product. I'm obviously starting with the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Wax because she's the best. And yes, I think someone asked me a question a few months ago about which one I prefer, Refi or BFF Brow Wax. I'm gonna have to say it. I actually haven't admitted it to anyone, but this is a safe space. She's taken over. She's taken over. I have never. This is just with this spoolie. Oh gosh. And don't get me wrong, I do love Refi and I will always love Refi, and Refi will always have my heart. But I just find this so much easier. Well, I hope you're all proud of me anyway, because we have come to Manchester on our own, and then we have taken ourselves out for a lunch date on our own. This is the iconic brow definer, which I didn't like but now I like. And yeah, we've done it all on our own today, and there is nothing like taking yourself out for lunch. That's what I've realised today. I went to Ezra and Gil, I think that's how you say it, and oh my goodness, I had the best veggie sandwich. It was avocados, mushrooms and halloumi. I will dream about that sandwich till the day I die. I'm just going to go in with my P. Louise base. Now I actually haven't told you what this event is tonight. I mean, I'm sure you've probably seen it on social media if you like makeup as much as I do. It is the Jordana Ticia event for her new product. The new product is a eyeshadow palette. It looks incredible. It's like every possible nude matte that anyone would ever need. It literally looks so good. Also so excited to meet Jordana herself. Like, she is the queen. Like, she has set such a standard for everyone because she created her own makeup brand by herself, and she is just incredible and such an inspo. So yeah, I'm going to meet some amazing people tonight. There's going to be some big people there, big people. I'm also very excited to meet some of the makeup girls because some of them I've met briefly, but others I haven't. So like Millie Mac makeup, I think I followed her really early on in her makeup career, and now she's absolutely killing it, which I always knew she would. So it's so nice to meet her. So for my eyes, I think I'm gonna go in with my Vive Neutrals palette, which is, oh my god, Bethan favourite, and I think I'm going to go straight in with the shade Delicious and do a little wing moment. Actually no, first start by taking the Morphe palette and going with this shade all the way across my lid. Now I want to go for like a bit of a smoky wing situation with a pop of gold. This is the kind of base that I want. I just want a bit of a base before I go straight in with that smoky wing. I'm just going to wing that out at the edge. I'm just going to start to bring it into the inner part of my brow bone as well. It's nearly time for me to have a drink, but I don't want to start too early because like 2 hours is probably too early, isn't it? Okay, now we've kind of laid the groundwork, then we're going to go in with that shade Delicious. I'm going to take it on this iconic London brush. We're going to do like a bit of a wing, but it's going to be a smoky wing. So we're going to follow our lash line upwards. I'm just going in with that quite close to the lash line. It doesn't matter if it's messy because we are going to smudge it out. And I'm going to take this brush here by Sigma and just start to go over the top and just smudge that out. I don't know why I am so nervous because I love doing my makeup. Like, my makeup is like my therapy, but this is making me feel physically sick. I just can't. This is a time when I need like colour around to be like, you're fine, chill out, you're fine, but I'm not fine. Right guys, I've decided it's time for a drink. I've got these from Sainsbury's, but I don't know how to open them with nails. I know what to do. Spoolie. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm on fingers and thumbs. How do people do nails? How do people do nails? Ah! Way! Cheers. Cheers. It's quite nice. I'm going to take the shade Lava Rock on the bottom part with like a thinner brush just to add bit more depth. I'm actually thinking to keep my eyes quite simple. I think I'm going to go with gold on my actual lid, and I'm just going to go over once again with that same fluffy brush. I haven't got anything more on my brush. I'm just making sure that it's super kind of seamless. The lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Carrots. Hopefully not saying that right. And just popping that on the inner parts of my eye. I'm just taking that on a flat brush, by the way. Also guys, I'm toying with the idea of a lash. Hear me out. If I just do like a normal mascara and then a little pop of like a half lash, I feel like it might work. But equally, will I hate it? I'm obviously going to go in with my fave ever mascara, which is the Maybelline. Perfect. I can see so clearly. You guys are going to think I'm drunk, but this is just my normal behaviour. Right, I'm going to leave the lashes. Look at me getting redder because I've had a drink. They were like pre-glued ones and I did try. Then they were sticking funny, and because my nails, I can't actually reach my physical waterline. But we just need to start on the base. That was the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Face Base, by the way. I'm going to go in with my Vive Skin Nova because it makes my skin always look so smooth, and that's what we need because I'm getting redder by the min. I'm more stressed by the minute. I also feel like I'm probably going to be the only pale person there because everyone is so tanned and glorious. Then we're going to go in with our stretch concealer on a little brush. I'm just going to take that on the Beauty Crop brush and I'm just pressing that all the way up, like I said, around my blemishes. And then I'm going to go in with my bigger Beauty Crop brush and just go over that. Right, now we're going to go in with the one and only Flawless filter because I feel like it, I mean, I don't need a special occasion to use it, but it is a special occasion. Right, then I'm going to go in and press once again with my Beauty Crop and just make sure that that is looking beautiful. Then I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe. Now it is foundation. Oh, I didn't expect her to slip out. Was that hiccup or a burp? And this is the shade Oslo. I've just taken that again on my foundation brush. Then I'm going to take my Marshmallow Sponge by Coco Cosmetics by Chloe. I washed this in the washing machine and now she looks kind of grey. I'm not mad because she's clean, but equally, like, I'm so sorry. Go over and just start to press that in. I'm going to take my Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Full Coverage Concealer and just let it sit on the blemishes that we've got. For contour, we're obviously going to take the Queen Peaks Out Cream Bronzer by Fenty, and this is the shade Butter Biscuit because we're warming it up to see if we are warming it up. Then I'm going to take my OG, which is the Bobbi Brown Hot Rouge Blush in the shade Pale Pink, which is not pale, and then go in on top of that contour. Hey guys, I'm really getting nervous. I can't comprehend how nervous I am. I'm just going to spray my all-nighter mist. We've got 45 minutes and I'm nearly ready. I don't know if that makes me more nervous or what. And then I'm going to take my Dior Backstage Concealer and just focus that on the inner parts of my eyes. So I'm just obsessed with this concealer. Then I'm going to also take a little bit of my Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Cloud. Just pop a little bit. Now that is all blended, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie powder, which is just the best powder. Don't get me wrong, the Jordana Ticia one is amazing, but I'm going to use this one for the loose side, and then the other one, actually, no. I was actually going to mix these two together. Let's try that. Yeah, let's give it a whirl. Making sure that I'm being really gentle when I'm powdering. I am obsessed with how that powder makes my under eyes look. That little combo as well actually did work. Now we're going to bronze up some more. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula, just go over where I've put that contour into my forehead and just tapping. I'm going to take my fave, my old school fave, because she never lets me down, and this is the Code 8 blush in the shade Pink Beach, and it is just the most beautiful, giving me highlighter vibes without being like a highlighter. Then we're going to go underneath my eyes and do a little smoke of what we've already got underneath. So I'm going to go in with that same angle brush, and I'm going to take that new nude, wherever she is. It is the Rimmel Scandalize liner. This is just going to open up my eyes. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Right, I'm going to let this dry, go do my hair, and then I'll be back because it's going to be like 3 days long otherwise. Okay guys, I'm ready. But I can't decide between this hoop, like it's small and chunky, but let me show you the fit and hopefully get you in some better lighting. This is the face. And then this is the most exposed fit I've ever worn in my life. I hope that is showing up okay on camera. It is a lot. And I'm not gonna lie, I've never worn anything like this in my life. I feel very, very nervous. And I don't know what hoop to go for. I might try and add some clips in at the end here. I've obviously just slicked my hair up because I think it suits the look so much more. And then we've just got Refi on the lips with a little bit of Lancome featuring a little bit of gloss. So that is the look. I should probably put another hoop in to finish this video. Hold on. Okay, we have gone with the chunky hoops. And I'm going to take a little pink bag, obviously, and then I've got my pink heels on, and yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you love the get ready with me, and thank you all so much for being in my life, because without you I wouldn't even be doing these things. So yeah, thank you so much, and I love you, love you, love you, love you. Have the best Wednesday. Go get it, girl, go get it.